Hey guys, I am sitting at my table today and I've noticed a couple of people on YouTube and Instagram lately just kind of like slapping their tables up into the air, trying to set them up. Not really good for your tables. They are made to hold weight, but they're not made to be trampolines and bounce around on the floor. So here's what I want you to do if you're alone and you need to set your table up. You're gonna go ahead and get it ready like normal. So we're gonna just open it up and we're gonna bring our legs out. Make sure your string is out of the way, straighten it right out. And what I'm gonna do is just put my foot here at the edge of this leg, and I'm gonna make sure my table's straight. And then I'm gonna just lift it like this. Sorry, you're seeing my butt. But here we go. And we're gonna set it down and nice and gently, and you may need to just lift it a little bit to kind of get it flattened out. So this makes you able to set up your table without having to try to flop it up into the air, and will help your table last longer. So y'all have a great day. I'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate you watching.